Text 7. Recording 1. Reading 8. Motions are states or feelings that are often intense, last for only a short time, and are clearly directed at or caused by someone or some circumstances. Passatory and emotions include pride, relief, love, and care. Patience we must share positivism and deceit to others, but always trained to be positive and cheerful negative. Motion include anger and satisfied guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. 2. Minimal pairs. Cat, but. With, read, road. Kid, night. Take, stick. Coat, coat. Pin, bean. Till, peel. Teach, peach. Day, pay. Dig, pick. Deal, peel. Duck, book. Date, bait. Toll, call. Tool, call. Tape, cape. Tot, coat. Tongue, gone. Tie, guy. Top, gob. Tool, go. Tap, gob. Table, gable. Tin, field. Tile, file. Tongue, phone. Tie, big. 3. Intonation. Statements with one stress. She works. We lounged. It stopped. Statements with two stress. Tony's reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. Statement with 3 stress. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statement with 4 stress. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. Teacher told her student a story. Statements with 5 stress. Alice wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special question following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friende, interest, politeness, reason, intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, reason, intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, reason, intonation. May I speak to ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, reason, and following intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question, following or reason intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I should, do it, shall I? Commands, following intonation. Tell me 3 truths. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request, reason, intonation. Close the windows. Please tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence, following intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, reason, intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumeration, reason, intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need papers, pens, and pencils. Responses. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can't, he didn't,